Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious broccoli cheese soup served in the cutest bread bowls. But before we get started, don't forget if you enjoyed this video to give it a big thumbs up, click down below and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my recipe videos. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out my blog. I worked really hard on it and I have all my written recipes with exact measurements on there. So be sure to check that out. There will be a link right here and down below in the description box. So to get started, I have about 6 cups of fresh broccoli, which I'm going to rinse well. Then I have a large pot full of boiling water, about halfway full. To that I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add my broccoli. And I'm going to let the broccoli boil in here for about 12 minutes. For the soup base, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And I have the heat here on medium heat. And then 1/2 cup of beef broth. This is homemade beef broth, so you might need to adjust the salt to your liking. And to that, I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded mild cheddar cheese. Make sure you're using real cheddar and not that fake Velveeta cheese. And I'm gonna raise the heat on that and let everything just melt together and give it a whisk. So now that that has came together, I'm going to remove this from the heat and I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot. And into this I'm going to grate 1 garlic clove. You can use garlic powder and you can also add onion powder to give it a little more flavor. I'm gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Got about 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, sorry. And to that I'm gonna crack some fresh mixed pepper. I would say like 1/2 teaspoon worth or maybe 1 teaspoon worth because I like a lot of pepper. I'm gonna give this a quick whisk. And you can give it a taste and see if the spices are to your liking. If not, you can adjust them. I think it's perfect, so at this point I'm going to add the broccoli in here. And I'm going to give that another quick whisk. I'm going to turn the heat up to medium and let that simmer for about 5 minutes. To serve the broccoli cheese soup, I have a hollow, crusty Kaiser roll. With my ladle, I'm just gonna pour that in there. I'm gonna give this a try. That is so flavorful, creamy, delicious. I've never had Panera, but I guarantee you this is better. I think I need a refill. And the best part is that you get to eat the bowl afterwards. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial on how to make this super easy and delicious broccoli cheese soup. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my blog. I will be linking it at the end of this video, and check out these other recipe videos.